हे गाइस जुले तो ये है मेरे सुबह का सीन. आई एम जस्ट पैकिंग जीजी's tiffin and snacks. She's always excited to open it, so I always keep it थोड़ा interesting, you know. टिफ़िन हो गया पैक एंड शी इज़ ऑलरेडी फुल ऑन एनर्जी में. She is just running around doing her own thing, clearly in the mood to have some fun today. So after school आज हम एक बर्थडे पार्टी में आए हैं and Gigi is super excited.
Happy birthday, Machu Mama.
Machu.
Hello. Hi. How are you? Gigi. 이거 한번 친봐. 줄래, 줄래, 줄래문 줄란직사랑 말란니 롬추고 줄래문 줄란직사랑 말란니 롬추고.
So we're just walking around the backyard. The apricot flowers are blooming everywhere. And Gigi is out here doing her thing, running, playing, full on energy.
Bumblebee. Ant. 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 Look at this.
She chose them.
See that? I love you. Oh, our flowers are pink.
Just for you.
Let's wrap something.
Yok ben teyzeciğim.
Ole pomole. Hello. What are you doing?
I'm pushing the gadi.
Gadi. Look at her. She suddenly decided पापा का बाइक साफ करना. Just look at her. She is in the backyard again. Full energy as always. कभी थकती ही नहीं. बस खेलना है, भागना है, enjoy करना है. And I guess this is the best time of their life and they should enjoy every moment, every second of it. Wow!
Can you do it?
I can do it.
No. Go to the game.
Go to the game?
Yeah.
Okay. Then who will take a video?
Me.
It's fine. It's fine. What happened?
I was trying to balance like this.
Then what happened?
But when I go to fall down, I have fallen down.
You fall down. Do it again. Yeah, do it again. Come back. Come back. It's okay. Come back.
This is so down.
Walk straight, Jitende. As if. Yo. Jump. Wow.
This down,
Finally took out a little time for myself today. बस थोड़ा सा ही trim किया and honestly feeling so fresh. Hey, where are we going?
The mall.
Okay. What is this?
This.
Yes.
Bangles.
So this is what my mornings looks like these days, and there is mess everywhere. It is under construction, as you can see. ये room अभी पूरा mess है, tools, paints and काम everywhere. But something new is coming. थोड़ा patience चाहिए, but it's all slowly coming together. And just like that, we are back in the backyard. Same energy, same smile. Ending the day with this little joy. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel if you really enjoyed these little moments with us. Your support really means a lot, and thank you for being here. See you in the next one. Bye bye.
This is chili flower. Yes. Be careful, okay?
Cherry, please. Give me cherries. I love cherries.
Halle, Bonu.